Hello students, today we will see the exercise 1.2 class 10 chapter 1st real number. Okay, our first question is prime factors. Okay, you have to do the prime factors in this question. Okay, as I have told you yesterday, you just have to factorize 140. Okay, 140. Firstly, 2 7 ja 14, 0, 2 3 ja 6, 10 2 5 जा. Okay, now 3 से not divisible, 5 से 5 7 जा 7 1 जा. यानी कि factors of 140 are 2 into 2 into 5 into 7, यानी 2 to the power 2 into 5 into 7. Okay, this is your answer. Just like that you can do other options of this question. Okay, now come on the question number 2. What is in the question number 2? We have to just find out LCM and HCF in this question. Okay, I have told you these type of question in my yesterday class also. You can see that class also. Okay, and I have told one important formula in yesterday class that is based on LCM and HCF and on numbers. Okay, in this question our first part is 26 and 91. You just have to find out LCM and HCF of these digits. ठीक है, 26 is equals to 2 13 जा and 13. Factors of 26 are 2 and 13. Okay, and factors of 91 are 7 into 13 7 ja 91 na 7 into 13. So what will be the HCF? HCF will be common part, that is 13. HCF will be 13. This will be your answer. And what will be the LCM? That will be 13 into 2 into 7. That is equals to, you can product this and you can get your answer. That will be 182. Okay, that will be your answer. According to this option, you can do other options of this question number 2. Okay, now come on the question number 3 of this exercise, that is find LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying prime factorization method. This is the same question, but in second question there are 2 digits and in third question there are 3 digits, 12, 15 and 21. Factors of 12 are 2 से 2 6 times, 2 से 3 times 3. Okay, now factors of 15 are 3 5 ja 15, 5 1 ja, and 21 3 7 ja. ठीक है, now what will be the HCF? Here 3 is common, then HCF will be 3 only. Okay, and what will be the LCM? LCM will be 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. Now you can product this. 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7, यानी कि 2 to the power 2 into 3 into 5 into 7, and you, if you will product this, you will get your answer, that is 420. Okay, this will be your answer. Now come on the next question. What is our next question? That is given that HCF is this and we have 2 digits, find LCM. I have told a formula, question number 4, that is LCM into HCF is equals to product of 2 numbers, that is A into B. Here numbers are 306 and 657. Okay, and HCF is 9. You have to just find out LCM. Okay, you can find out LCM LCM is equals to 360 into 657 upon 9. Okay, when you will calculate this, you will get your LCM, that will be 22338. This will be our answer. And students of class 10th, this is the most important questions for your board exams. Okay, and this formula is also most important for your board exams. Okay, see students, we will in our classes we will continue all the chapters one by one, and I will tell you board papers questions also, important questions also. If you will be with our channel, अगर आप लोग हमारे चैनल से जुड़े रहेंगे तो हम लोग ऐसे ही अपने इस सीरीज में आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे और 10th के सारे चैप्टर्स को हम वन बाय वन कवर करते रहेंगे. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू बी विद अस एंड we will be with you. Okay, now come on the next question, that is question number 5. Check whether 6 to the power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. Okay, I have told you this type of question also yesterday. For this question you can see my yesterday class. Okay, now come on the question number 6. Okay students, this question is explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite number. Firstly, we should know what are composite number. Composite numbers. What are the composite numbers? Composite numbers, the मतलब कंपोजिट नंबर की क्या शर्त होती है? कंपोजिट नंबर्स हैव फैक्टर्स अदर देन 1 एंड इटसेल्फ. ओके, दिस इज द मेन कंडीशन ऑफ द कंपोजिट नंबर, फैक्टर्स अदर देन 1 एंड इटसेल्फ. ओके, इन दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट, दिस इज सेकेंड पार्ट. वी कैन टेक कॉमन 13. नाउ वी विल गेट 7 into 11 into 1 plus 1. This will be 13 into 7, 11 into 7, 77 plus 1, that is 13 into 78, यानी कि that is 13 into 6, right? Now you can see the given expression has 6 and 13. 6 and 13. This is repeated now. So we have two digits 6 and 13 as its factors. Therefore, it is a composite number. Okay. According to the condition of composite number, it's a composite number. Okay. Now second condition is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 plus 5. In the same way, you can take 5 common. You get 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1 plus 1. Okay. Now you will get 5 into 1008 plus 1. That will be 5 into 1009. ठीक है. Here 1009, 1009 cannot be factorized further. Therefore, the given expression has 5 and 1009 as its factor. Hence, it's also a composite number. Okay? Is it clear? This is also an important question for your exams. Okay? Now come on the last question of this exercise. That is question number 7. The question is, there is a circular path around the sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round in the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes. Okay, we have a circular path. ठीक है, Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round and Ravi take 12 minutes. ठीक है. Suppose they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes they will meet again at the starting point? They both start from here, from the same point, from the same place, and on the same time, in these type of question you just have to find out LCM always. Okay, so you just have to find out LCM of 18 and 12. Let's factorize. 2 9 ja 18, 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9 2 ja 18, 2 6 ja 2 3 ja 3. ठीक है. Now what will be the LCM? This will be 2 into 3 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2 into 3. So LCM will be 3 square into 2 square. That will be 3 3 ja 9, 2 2 ja 4, 9 4 ja 36. Okay, then 36 will be your answer. So the V and Sonia will meet together at the starting point after 36 minutes. Okay, this will be your answer, and this is also the most important question for your board exams. Okay, this is most important question. This one is also most important question, and this type of question is also most important. Okay, thank you class.